Come a little close. Good morning everyone. Jai Gurudev. Today I thought I'll do a live session about the Pati breed desi cows. Unfortunately here in the Goshala the signal is not working. So I wanted to share some. I'll upload this video and put it on the Facebook. I wanted to share some of the basic facts about these desi cows. I was conducting a rural happiness program in a village called Dudhiya. It is near Dibrugarh district, Upper Assam. And there are people where their surname is Patir. And that's how these cows are known as Pati breed. Desi, purest form of desi breed cows. The beauty of them is that they are untouched. They are one of the most beautiful species found in the desi cows. Very lovable. You can see, you can feel that they are so much of lovable. You can just go and be friends with them. And in 2012 we had floods in that village, and the villagers shared with me that 95% of the cattle, they either died, they got lost, and it was such a very tough moment for them. तो हमने सोचा क्या कि हम कुछ वहाँ से, जहाँ पे जो गांव है वहाँ पे जंगल है, वहाँ से ऐसी पाती ब्रीड के देसी काउस को लेके कहीं और लेके जाएंगे, so that they are preserved. So that's how this Difu Goshala started. You can see we have the shed, we have constructed a new Goshala here, and these are so lovable. उनको देख के लगता है कि you can just hold them, you can be friends with them. And you can and see how nicely they this loving guy. Oh, ये देखो उठ के भाग गया. ठीक है, तो इनके साथ आप रहोगे ना तो आपको बहुत मजा भी आता है. Sometimes they are so naughty, and right now they have their breakfast time. So we thought we'll bring those cows here and preserve them, because taking care of them is one of the thought processes we had. And these cows, they give A2 desi cow milk. A2 desi cow milk matlab it's not the A1 protein, it's the purest form of A2 cow protein, and very good for our health. And maybe I can show you some more things about them. This is a very cute baby. Their height is very small, and you can see they have a hump also, जहाँ पे they have the Surya Nadi, where they preserve the see that's how they play around. But अभी तो they are little the journey of them is very interesting. We brought them from the jungles, and वहाँ पे they have never seen a boat or a river. तो उनको वहाँ से जब हम जंगल से लेके आते थे तो पहले तो उनको नदी क्रॉस करना था. तो they had a first hands on experience of sitting in a boat, and then they traveled first time in a lorry, and that's how they landed here. अभी इनको आए हुए यहाँ पे ज़्यादा दिन हुआ नहीं है, but now they have accustomed to the climate, and we are so lucky to have them. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे we take care of not just the cows, we have this पंचगव्य plant also, जहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि जो cow dung है उसको हम लोग प्रिजर्व करते हैं, and then we use it for the organic farming. यहाँ पे जो गौमूत्र है it's still under construction. हाँ, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे हम लोग जो भी गौमूत्र होता है उसको हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रिजर्व करते हैं, and then we use it for organic farming. today I also wanted to introduce you to my friend Longbir ji. So maybe I will turn the camera around, and he will share something more about our Difu Goshala.
We have constructed this Gosala with the help of this Sri Dhenu, and it's so fortunate that we got this Desi breed of cows that is far away from my district. This is Karbi Anglong district, this is a hill district. We brought it from Dibrugarh, Mirigao. It's very far from here, but still then it's so nice to be to have these cows here, and now they are so so healthy now and so happy here. And now, before we brought here these cows, they were like a bit of like wild, but now we found it that they are so loving and it's so nice. So we are very thankful to Sri Dhenu for helping to come up with this this Gosala in Difu. And this the cow dung we use here, and the Desi gai mutra, we use it for the organic purpose. Now we have started with an organic cultivation here, where this place will be a demonstration place where people from different villages, from Karbi Anglong, and then from different areas of the native places of this area can come and learn the organic farming here. So this is the place where we set up, where we can learn about organic farming. So now we have also started constructing a low-cost greenhouse where we will cultivate the unseasonal crops here. And we have it's far from here, where we have already started cultivating cabbage and cauliflower and mutton and French beans, like that, through the organic process by using this zero budget farming technology. We are using here some of the technologies which we already got from this Sri Sri Institute Agriculture and Research of Art of Living, and we have trained boys where they have learned this technique, how to grow the organic product. So now we are doing it, and then we are encouraging lots of youths also. So lots of youths have come up, and then they started learning it. They really found it very much interesting, since it's a new technology, we could say, for our places, like where people used to use chemical. Without chemical they cannot cultivate, they say. But now we are changing their mindset, telling them that this is the way where we can do also without using chemicals. So we are using Gormutra and there's cow dung with this. Okay, thank you.
So this project Sri Dhenu is an outcome of Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji's blessings. He has been an inspiration for all of us to work towards preserving the Indian Desi cow breeds. If you see the beauty of these cows, they are not tied. They are so free. They can roam freely. They are so free. उनको बांध के नहीं रखा है कि भाई आपको दूध निकालना है. And we don't put any pressure on them to give milk and all. Here just we want them to be like a family. यहाँ पे इनका एक ही उद्देश्य है कि खुश रहना है. When the cows are happy, we get the vibes, we are also more happier. And we will show you more about our Goshala. The objective is that from this 20 cows, we want to expand to another 50-60 cows in coming months. And we need all your support and blessings. We will talk about more of the A2 cow milk. We will show you another video where they are milked, how they are milked, and what kind of milk they produce. So that's much for today. Thank you for all your love and support. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.